Hi, I'm Dr. Liz Arbatier. I'm the Associate Director of Academics and Community Affairs at New Bolton Center, Penn Vet's 700-acre large animal campus. I was in private practice for many years as an equine veterinarian, and I recognize that we have a serious shortage of large animal veterinarians, and it's actually affecting the care that people can receive. I came to Penn Vet because I was so drawn by the educational mission. I just really was excited to teach and inspire the next generation of veterinarians. These veterinarians are responsible for protecting our food supply, supporting the health of large animals, preventing the spread of zoonotic disease from animals to humans, and ensuring that our rural workforce has a place to work. One of the most rewarding parts of my job is watching students come out to New Bolton Center and really fall in love with large animal species and truly understand the impact of this work. Our graduates go on to serve not only our local communities, but work in the country and throughout the world, advocating for large animal health and welfare, bolstering the economic sector, and contributing to global health initiatives. What is not inspiring about that?